So, good evening ma'am. Ibiiday ko nagbuhat sa akong taas ma'am. Ang ako napili ma'am is safety. Work safety is not merely a legal requirements but a fundamental pillars of the success and well-being of any organization. Its impact extend far beyond for preventing accident and injuries, influencing employees' morale and productivity in company reputation and even innovation. So need yun na to siya mabalaan para maka-prevent sa mga accident na mahitabo sa atong trabuhan kay dili mo gina ato malikayan, at least malislisan. Establishing a safety measure in the workplace is crucial for preventing incident injuries, ultimately fostering a culture of safety by promoting a safety first culture of conducting regular risk evaluation and implementing comprehensive safety training, improving workplace ergonomics, keeping workplace clean and organized, using labels and sign effectively, providing the right tools of equipment. So dapat nata sa atong trabahoan, so need po nato magbasa-basa kay naraman diya ang mga signs, example sign nga diri nga lugar is bawal ni diri sudlan sa mga kuan kay prone of accident ni diri nga area. So mo to encouraging open communication and preparing for emergencies organization and can significantly reduce workplace accident. So dapat kabalo po ta sa mga sign of mga emergency, kapayan ng mga bell o na mga kuan na nga mga sign nga linog ana or unsa ni pa diya, dapat kabalo ta sa mga sign sa tong workplace. Training programs plays a pivotal role in creating a safety environment, ensuring that employees are equipped and necessary knowledge skill of navigate potential risks. So dapat lang kay dili ta magpataka og asa ta padulong, dapat kabalo ta og unsa atong buhaton inig maabot na sa ato ang accident. So kibali pareha ng linog ana, so dapat di ta magpanik ana, dapat kabalo ta og unsay dapat buhaton. By promoting safety as a protective responsibility, keeping abreast of police safety practices, customized safety protocols on the fit specific workplace requirements, and conducting hazard assessment and prevent dangers, companies can proactively mitigate risks and maintain to sure work environment. So dapat kabalo kita og kay dili wala ta kabalo sa og kanus amo abot ang sakuna sa ato mo nang safety first gyud ta daan. So mao ra to ma'am. Thank you and good evening.